Hello everyone and welcome to Tech Idea. Here I make tutorials on topics that might be helpful to you in one way or the other, and today I'm going to be showing you guys on how to change your name on Discord. So first and foremost, you've got this option called nickname. So you can always change your nickname and to change your nickname it's basically you go to you press on the server name. Once you do that, you press on edit server profile, and over here you have nicknames. You can write anything like techno, why not? Yeah, and after that I'm just gonna press on save, right? So my server nickname is now techno, but as you can see my real name is still under that. But if you want to change your real name, for example this name, right, you want to press on your user settings. Once you do that, you'll be at my account, and then you want to do edit user profile. Once you press on that, oh wait, not edit user profiles, my bad. You see username right here. Sorry, by edit user profile I meant like edit username. Press on your edit username, and over here you can type in your username. So I'm just gonna type in techno. Now if you get Discord Nitro, you can change your hashtag, as you can see, and without that I'm just gonna type in my password now. Alright, after typing in my password, as you can see my username has now been changed to techno. So I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please drop a like, and if you want to see more tutorials like this in the future, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, as well as like, share, and comment below, and hit that notification bell as well. Make it go ding. Anyways, without any further ado, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye.